What's up guys, this is Ken from Tech Open back again with another video. This time to show you a webcam. This is a budget webcam from a company called Tenvis. They sent me this and asked me to review this on the channel. This is a budget webcam. It's not going to do like super awesome performance, I think, but we're going to check it out and see if it's good or not. Okay, so let's unbox this and check it out, guys. Keep watching. Okay, so let's unbox the Tenvis TW888 webcam and see what's inside. So you get the camera, you get this little card, and you get a quick start guide. And you also get a little tripod. Okay, so here is the camera. You can see there HD 1080p. You have the Tenvis logo. So you can see the camera here, guys. Top side. It's very basic. It swivels around. You can see it swivels like this, up and down. Has a little bit of a swivel to it. And this is to clamp onto your monitor. You have a little 1/4-inch thread right there. If you have a tripod or a boom arm or something like that you want to attach this to. And then you have a USB-A cable. And it's wired directly to the camera. You cannot disconnect it on this part. So attaching this to your monitor is really simple. With your laptop screen, you just have to use this little footrest, or you can use this little tripod. So in order to attach this, you would just lay this with this little foot here. Just open this up and just place it up here. So you just rest this here on top of your screen. Very easy to apply. So you can tilt it down a little bit if you like. So pretty cool. Or you could use the tripod if you like, the included tripod, or one that you have at home if you prefer. And just place this with this little tripod, which works pretty well as well. In order to get started with the camera, you don't need any specific software or drivers. It'll do it all automatically. All you have to do is plug this into your USB port on your device, and it'll recognize the camera just like a keyboard or a mouse would, plug and play, and you're ready to go. So the quality of the material, this is all plastic. Basically, you have no metal parts here. The lens does not have a privacy cover or anything. It doesn't have a little shutter that you can close. So keep that in mind. Let's do a little peel here of the front film. So you can see it has this shiny finish. You also get these little indicator lights, but they're very faint. You can hardly see them, but you can see that they're on. Just keep that in mind. And yeah, to me, the downside is not having a camera cover. I would have liked that as well. And you can see you have the little footrest here, which is supposed to rest against the back side of your monitor, where you're applying this, and you have this little hook here on the top part. So yeah, very basic, but it works. Now here, I would have preferred a disconnectable kind of cable, not a fixed one, but that's just a little minor flaw in my opinion. So let's test out the video quality of the camera and see if it's worth it or not. And yeah, let's check that out. So guys, this is what the webcam looks like, connected directly to my laptop. And you can see the field of view here. It's a little bit on the wider side. Not maybe everyone will like this kind of look. For me, it's okay. But if you want a little bit more privacy, you just want it to film the, this part of your face, and you don't want the surrounding area to be in the frame. Gonna keep that in mind, guys. It's probably not the greatest option. And you can also hear the audio coming out of the webcam, which shouldn't be the greatest, but just so you guys can have an idea. So guys, this is for you guys to have an idea of the sound quality difference by using a dedicated mic. In this case, it's a lapel mic connected to the laptop, and the image coming out of the webcam. So you can definitely notice a difference in sound quality compared to the inbuilt mic of the webcam. So if you do have a mic, a dedicated mic, I would recommend using it with this webcam so you can get some better audio coming out of your device. So yeah, just keep that in mind, guys, that the audio quality in the webcam is not great, but it does work. It's okay. Okay guys, now you can see the difference in image quality compared to the inbuilt mic and camera of my Lenovo laptop. It's a Wi-Fi 40. And you can see the image quality is, in my opinion, much inferior to the one in the webcam. So in this case, it's definitely a recommendation to get this webcam if you have a laptop like mine that doesn't have the greatest image quality. You can also hear the audio coming out of the mic of the laptop without a lapel mic. I don't have it connected. It's here on my shirt, but it's not connected. But now I'm going to test the sound quality with the lapel mic connected to see if we notice any difference whatsoever. So now I plugged in the lapel mic to my laptop so you can see if there's any difference in sound quality compared to using the inbuilt mic of the laptop. So this is what it looks like and what it sounds like. Now, if you're using this for streaming, for gaming and streaming, you know, it's not the greatest option because you get a really wide field of view. And if you want some privacy, you want like a more narrow field of view, this isn't the option for you guys unless you kind of get closer to the camera. It's not really the ideal webcam for that, but it does work. You can use it for that. But I would recommend if you do gaming and streaming on a constant basis and you want high quality, this is not the best option, guys. I would go for something else. But if you're doing this like occasionally just for fun, you know, one time or another, it'll work pretty well, guys, for that. And better than most webcams that are embedded into our laptops that we have already pre-installed in our laptops. In my case is a pretty good example. I have a really awesome machine. But in terms of the webcam, the angle and all that, it's not the greatest. So this would be a really good option to kind of fix that issue, guys. Now, due to the whole COVID issue, I've noticed that webcams have gone up in price significantly. So these low-cost webcams are really great if you want a webcam. You don't want to spend like a ton of money on a webcam. And it works pretty well, guys. Yes, for what you pay, I think it's a nice little device. And I definitely recommend it for the price, of course. If it was more expensive, probably not, because you can get better webcams, better quality image in other webcams than this one. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. If it helped you out in making a decision to purchase this device or not, yeah, leave your thumbs up, guys, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified on all the latest videos that I post on the channel. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.